During deployments, usernames and passwords will be the first initial of the responder's first name, then the first initial of their last name, followed by the last 4 digits of their Social Security number. A user can enter his or her username and password by using either the laptop keyboard or the on-screen keyboard. To use the on-screen keyboard, just double tap on the desired field. After the username and password is entered, tap on the Continue button. After logging in with your username and password, you are required to select a location on the Select Location window. The location selected will be recorded in each patient's record that is captured on that computer. In the event that you cannot find the correct location in the list provided, contact your on-site system administrator or super user so that he or she can create the appropriate location. After the location has been selected, tap on the Continue button. Once you have successfully logged in, the main menu will be displayed. At any time, you can see who is logged into the application and at which site they are logged into by looking at the blue title bar at the top of the screen. From the main menu, you can log out of the current user by tapping on the Logout button. This logs the current user out and allows a new user to log in. Users should use their own individual accounts and should log out from the system after each use. All activities within the system are tracked and audited. The EMR desktop has a number of options available on the right side of the screen. Medical Services allows you to search for existing or previous patients as well as register new patients. The Rapid Encounter section provides multiple functions. You can register a non-patient, such as a caregiver, and then link them to a patient. You can document a first aid encounter, which only requires users to enter a subset of information for the patient. Users can also quickly register patients for treatment, which is extremely helpful during an emergency or a surge of incoming patients. The Reports button offers a variety of reports that can be run and printed. If you are a pharmacist, you will have the ability to see the Pharmacy Dashboard button. This section allows the pharmacist to fill and track orders, as well as maintain the inventory. Only pharmacists or pharmacy techs will have access to this option. The Provider Dashboard section is used to view patients who are currently in care at that location, and allows providers to quickly determine if there are any pending orders. When a user selects a patient on the Provider Dashboard, the work list will appear and provide an overview of the orders for this patient. The functionality of each of these buttons will be discussed in greater detail in other lessons in this course. The graphs on the main menu screen are used to view patients that are currently receiving care at a specific location, as well as view any open orders. The Current Patient Summary section in the upper left shows figures for patients that are at a specific location and currently receiving care. It displays the patient acuity status totals for each of the specific stages: registration, triage, treatment, and discharge. Patient records that are closed are not included on the current patient totals. The Daily Total section represents the total number of patients that have been registered that day, along with the totals for each of the acuity statuses for a specific location. These numbers are reset every day at midnight. The Open Order Summary displays the open order totals for each of the various order types. As orders are evaluated, they are no longer included in these totals. The Awaiting Treatment section breaks down the patients that have yet to be treated by acuity level. The In Treatment section breaks down patients that are currently in treatment by acuity level.